met a spaceman in my backyard. He said his spaceship broke apart. With a wink he stole my car keys. Now he's cruising through the galaxies. My dog's wearing a space helmet, chasing asteroids without regret. They turned my house into a base, planning missions in outer space. It's a cosmic mess, but I love it. Aliens, dancers, rockets lift, stars explode with every beat. In our chaotic universe, we don't need meat. Neighbors think I'm going mad. They don't see the fun we've had. Martians playing in my pool. I guess I've broken every earthly rule. I phone up NASA, they won't believe. They think it's some wild fantasy. But in my backyard it's a show. Lights flashing, neon glow. It's a cosmic mess, but I love it. Aliens, dancers, rockets lift, stars explode with every beat. In our chaotic universe, we don't need meat. It's a cosmic mess, but I love it. Aliens, dancers, rockets lift, stars explode with every beat. In our chaotic universe, we don't need meat. We don't need She fell in love with a baker's smile, flour-dusted hands and heart so wild. Red-checked apron through the store, sweeping crumbs off the floor. He made a cake that stole her heart, layered love in every part. Sprinkled dreams with powdered sweet, sourdough but love complete. Mixing bowls and sugar highs, caught her love beneath the pies. Spatula swings and culinary dance, whisking love in a sweet romance.